Hi, I'm Keith Hansen. I live in Overland Park, Kansas, which is where the school offers on-ground classes. For the last 17 years, I've been self-employed in two industries. In 2002, I started a real estate-based company, and in 2003 left a corporate job to become the CFO. I continued working there until 2006 and joined Legacy Advisory Group as an advisor consultant. My primary role was to evaluate private equity projects, and we did a number of venture capital raises and private equity investments over my time there. Most of my work was taking the first stab at analysis and figuring out, what the business was, sourcing projects, things like that. In 2018, I joined my current company and I became a partner and owner in 2019. I own, with a partner, Butler, Lands & Wagler, a registered investment advisor. And we help primarily high net worth individuals and families with financial advice, financial planning, investment management. I really don't know much about the advertising agency world or advertising in general. I don't watch much TV. I don't pay attention to advertising. I am interested in learning more because obviously COVID has changed the business environment, but prior to COVID, we had made a decision here to be more intentional about digital content delivery and trying to identify how to deliver targeted advertising to our particular segment. One of the challenges that I probably will face is that I am generally unaware of many advertisements and advertising techniques.